Hello and welcome to another tutorial on this channel. My name is Peter Konunda, and in this video we will learn how to file your income tax for a resident individual or a Kenyan citizen earning a salary but without most benefits offered by some employers using the downloadable Excel form from the Kenya Revenue Authority's online tax portal. Kindly subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share this with a friend or anyone who needs it. So what do you need to file your returns? You need your KRA PIN and password. You also need an online KRA account, and you need a P9 form from your employer. So how do we do this? Open your browser and type www.itax.kra.go.ke. So once you are on the page, you need to enter your PIN or type your PIN. We will be using two documents in this procedure. So the first document is the P9. This is a form that contains the figures that we will be using today. So you enter your PIN and click continue. Now at this point you're expected to enter your password and security stamp and then log in. That is correct. Now I just have to warn you that you must ensure that you get the calculations right, you get your PIN and password right, because you only have 5 attempts to try and log in. If you fail to do so, then your account will be blocked and you'll be forced to contact KRA to reset your password. In case you don't remember your password, you need to click on forgot or unlock account, and a reset link will be sent to your email. Once logged in, click on returns menu and then you choose file returns. At this point you need to select your tax obligation, which should be on the drop down menu. Choose income tax, resident individual, then click next, and there we are. So if you are going to use the Excel version, we click on this link to download the form. That is done. Remember, the form comes in form of a zipped folder. So we'll cut this and place it in the correct folder where we want to use it, and then paste our new form. We extract this. It will create a folder, and then inside this folder we will get our form. So this document will open in a protected mode. You must enable editing. You'll also find that macros is disabled, so you also have to enable macros. So here we are, and we are good to go. So what we first need to do is to enter the employee PIN. I need to copy that from here. The type of return is basically either an original type. Original means that this is the first filing or the first return you're filing in the year of the return. An amended return is a second or a third or maybe a fourth return that you're doing to correct some anomalies or errors encountered in the first return. So we'll do an original return. At this point we need to enter the return period from. So we are doing a return for the year 2019. So this will be the format of the return period from, and the return period to. So the return period will be 31st of December 2019. We will move to the next page, which is employment income sheet F. So first of all we need to enter the employer's PIN, which we also get on this form. We need to enter that PIN here, and then the name of the employer. Now there are some figures that we have highlighted on our P9 form. So we have the first figure here, which is the gross pay. We also have pension. We then have tax payable, personal relief, and finally the tax deducted. We need to enter or key in the gross pay of this individual. Key in that. Now we will type in 0 for allowances and benefits from employment. We also need to enter 0 for the net value of housing, because that is not there. We then also enter 0 for pension in excess of 300,000, because that benefit is not available. Yes, and we are pretty done with this page. So we'll move to sheet M. Just click next and you're taken to sheet M. Now since we had entered the employer's PIN on the other page, you can choose to either type the PIN again or simply pick it from the drop down menu. Type the name of the employer. Now we'll have to go back to our form and get the taxable salary or taxable income. This was our taxable or chargeable income. Simply copy this if you wish to, or type it. So I'll just copy that and paste it here. We also need to copy tax payable on taxable salary. So we will go back to our form and again paste it here. Finally, we need to enter the amount of tax deducted or payee. Copy that, come back here and paste it. So we will move to sheet Q. Now on this sheet we will be filling nothing because there was no tax paid in advance. So we move to the final sheet of the document, and here there are figures that we need to enter. So we go back to our form. This is defined pension or contribution. So pension or contribution is here. So I need to copy that and paste my pension here. Then we scroll down to personal relief. So I also need to copy this and paste it on personal relief. At this point, you need to confirm that your tax computation details are correct and ensure that the tax or refunds due is either negative or a negligible amount of money. So this is the tax due or refund due, and as you can see, this person is now owed by KRA an amount of 129.77 shillings. If this amount was positive, then it would be you, the taxpayer, owing KRA that particular amount of money. So in this case, KRA will refund this person 129 shillings. So at this point, we need to validate our form. Now once validated, you'll get a message on your screen that sheets are ready to be uploaded. Do you want to generate an upload file? Click yes. Your upload file will be saved inside your documents folder. A path will be given so that you can easily find the document ready for upload. Now at this point, you're not going to download anything, but we are going to upload. So you come here, ensure that it's original because we are filing the return for the first time. Look at the date. Return period from should be 1st January 2019. Return period to should be 31st December 2019. Now we choose our file, which as you were told was in the documents folder. So you look at documents, and then you have to be careful not to upload the wrong file. So as you can see, if you look at the date when the zip folder was created, because you might have filed returns for another person, and this is our file. Agree to the terms and conditions and submit your document. Accept the screen prompt asking whether you want to upload it. Click OK, and that's it. You get an acknowledgement number, and you also get to download the receipt. So this will basically give, or is an acknowledgement that you've filed your returns, and it holds the details of your returns, a summary of your details. This is an original return, the time of the return, the acknowledgement number. You can see this from here. So thank you for watching this video. This was how to file your returns using an Excel form from the KRA portal. Thank you once again. My name is Peter Konunda. I appreciate the support that you've given me so far. Ask that you continue sharing my videos, continue talking to your friends, asking them to subscribe. I really need to get to 1,000 subscribers. I know it's not easy. I'm determined to get there. So thank you very much for watching, and let's meet in the next tutorial. Thank you.